special cookie. This one's from India and it's called Rava Ladoo. Now this is typically made for special occasions like Diwali, which is coming up next month in October. And there's different ways to make this ladoo. I love this recipe because it's made with condensed milk. And this is so quick and easy because all you need to do is toast the semolina with the other ingredients. There's no baking involved here. These are incredible. Let me show you how. Let's get started. To start this very special cookie, I'm starting off by adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to my pot. This is pure butter fat that has been separated from the milk part of the butter. Now once this melts down, I'm going to be adding about 1/4 cup of chopped cashews, and these will fry slightly until they're toasted in the pan. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I post new quick and easy recipes every other day, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell so you won't miss out. Once those cashews are golden brown, I'm going to be removing them from the pan and adding about 3 spoonfuls of golden raisins. Fry them up for about 2 minutes until they become nice and plumped up. And then after that, you're going to be removing these raisins from the pot and adding them to the bowl with the cashews. Next goes in that wonderful semolina powder into the pot. This is going to toast on a medium-low heat. We want this to become fragrant and slightly toasted without changing its color. Once it smells amazingly fragrant, after a few minutes, you're then going to go ahead and add some grated coconuts and mix this until it's heated. Add this mixture to the bowl along with the toasted cashews and raisins mixture, and add about 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This will add its distinctive taste. To sweeten these cookies, I'm adding sweetened condensed milk to the bowl, and you're going to use about 1/2 of a can. I like adding a little bit at a time and mixing it all together as you go until you get the perfect consistency of being able to roll this into balls. These Rava Ladoos are so incredibly delicious. The taste is like no other with its mixture of unique ingredients. My favorite part is the sweet and milky taste, and the ghee gives this a whole nother level of flavor, along with the fragrant cardamon and the crunchy cashews. To finish these cookies off, I'm rolling them in some more of that shredded unsweetened coconut, and I'm gonna top them off with a cashew and a raisin. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I really hope you're able to try these out one day because they are like no other.